Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Joseph, and in this video I'll be taking you guys through the process of how I finger coil my hair. I'll be starting off with freshly washed hair. I'm doing this as a protective style, so it's best to start on a clean scalp. First, I'll put my hair in 4 sections just to make the whole process easier and not have the rest of my hair disturbing what I'm doing. I always section my hair just to make the whole process easier. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I've swapped the hairbands I normally use for these scrunchies. They are a lot more gentle on my hair and it's very easy to take off. Next, I'll take a section and divide into 2, just so I have a smaller section to work with. My hair is still wet because it's freshly washed and moisturized, so I'll just lightly finger the tangle. I'll be using the Eco Style gel for this because the gel holds the finger coils from unraveling. Just making sure each strand of my hair is properly coated. You can use a brush to brush through, just so the product is evenly applied. For the finger coils, all I do is take a small section of hair and twirl it around my finger. I always try to take my hands to the roots of my hair, just so the roots doesn't get puffy. I twist it around my finger till I feel it's finger coiled enough, then I let go. One thing about finger coils is that it can be very time consuming, especially if you have thick or long hair. But the good thing about them is that they give the fine curls that can last several days and even weeks with proper maintenance. But it's not always advisable to keep them for more than 2 weeks because they can easily lock up and the takedown process could cause more breakage. I'm done with this section of hair, and this is how it looks. Another thing about finger coils is the shrinkage, guys. I'm not even joking, the shrinkage is real. I'll be doing the rest of my hair, so you'll just watch. Okay guys, I'm done with my whole head and I'm really tired. This whole process took about 3 hours, I'm not even capping. I was really tired, so I couldn't go back to finger coil some. That's why some of them have puffy roots. But that's okay, I think the style still came out great. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Lastly, I'll be using this anti-dandruff spray. It has tea tree, which is very good for your scalp, and also the menthol's feeling is very soothing. These are the final results. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the post notification so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. I'll see you in my other videos.